This is the experience of a teacher who was looking for a chance of staff mobility for training in Europe, thanks to Erasmus Plus grant. She's working in a vocational training school in Barcelona and wanted to compare the Spanish vocational education with European one. She decided to go to Brussels in Belgium, the heart of the European Union. Hey, this is me! My name is Chusa and I am a teacher in vocational education training in administrative management in Escola del Treball of Barcelona. After some emails contacts, I realized that the school Go Technisch Atheneum Zavelenberg, located in Brussels, was my best option to do the Erasmus Plus grant. This school has 327 students and 43 teachers. Students can study from primary to high school. Comparing the vocational courses of Zavelenberg and Barcelona, we both have European Qualification Framework Level 4 in Electricity and Electronics, Computer Science, and Business Administration and Mechanical Manufacturing. And finally, in Installation and Maintenance. And it was great to see how teachers from Zavelenberg would help me to realize this connection between our educational centers. So after that, we will do some joint activities with our students by video conferencing in English. In the end, I bring all my experience to my school, and I've seen that discovering Europe is the best way to gain knowledge.